friends, welcome back to Food Prep Guide. We are in the kitchen today and I just gave my parsley a little bit of a haircut and I'm preparing to dehydrate it. And I thought I would show y'all how I quickly destem parsley. This goes for cilantro, parsley, and basil. It's just a real quick way to destem it without having to pick every little leaf, and all you need is a fork and a cutting board. So let me bring you up close and show you how it works. Okay, so to make this work, we need to have all of our stems facing the same direction. So I'm just going to gather a few stems and I'm going to face them all the same direction. I'm going to create just a little bunch like that. And I'm going to place my fingers right at the base of where the stems meet those first leaves. Put those on my cutting board. I'm going to hold right there pretty firmly. And with my fork, I'm going to start right here back at the stems and rake forwards. There we go. Here's what we're left with. Mostly just stems. And here's all of our parsley. There's just a few little stems here, like here's one. I can pick that off if I want to. But it's a lot faster doing it this way than picking them off one by one. Let's do one more. So I'm going to gather my stems all facing the same way. I've got chicks hatching all over the place, y'all, so if y'all hear a bunch of chirping in the background, that's what's going on. We've got chicks hatching in the incubator. We've got broody hens hatching their chicks outside. We have a dog kennel of newly hatched chicks in our schoolroom at the moment. Okay, so here's all of our stems. I'm going to hold them right there at the base, just like that. Take my fork and just scrape down. Here we go. We're left with the stems. And then here is all of our destemmed parsley. Okay, y'all, hope that helps. See you next time. Bye.